Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to create a Facebook page. The reason why I'm doing this video, it's amazing. I've been creating Facebook pages every single maybe month or stuff like that, but they really sometimes I think change things. On the computer I can't, so since I can't, I laughed at myself when I couldn't do that. So then I say, wow, man, what can I do? So, but the easiest thing to do is to do what? To use what they call, you're going to use a phone instead of what? Instead of your normal Facebook for web, like on your computer, because on computers I discovered there are a couple of versions of Facebook, so it could be an issue. Sometimes I can show you this, then something else happens. So if you have a Facebook app, if you don't have the app, go to Google Play Store, download one, then you click here. When you click there, I'm already here because I was trying to do it, then I saw it. So it's gonna show your profile like this. What you do, you click on this image, your image. Come on, click on that image, your image. So it's gonna give you this menu. On that menu, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and see pages. This tab, click on that. First thing to do, the client asked me to do that, but I've been struggling, you can't believe. Then you click on the first one, which says create with a plus sign. Then says get started. Then this is the page name. Reach. Okay, then we say next. Okay. Non-profit. Okay, it's the organization. It's a non-profit. Okay, I'll say that. Then say create. Okay, that's good. Promote your products. Create content and connect to. Okay, we're gonna go this to continue. Okay, this is done. So now you can say next. So you can invite people if you want to. I don't want to invite anyone, I just say next. Because it's for my client, he will do that. Okay, I'm gonna do that, remove that. Say next. Okay, page notifications and all that. Say done. It's taking time, but that's it. We're done, guys. You can switch off. You can go create it, or find. You can wait for me to do other stuff. Okay, here. That's when you're gonna set up your logo there. What else? WhatsApp name, contact reference, add. A couple of things you have to do. You can go to, let me see here. Now let me go back home. Okay, here you can choose your picture here, which picture you want to choose, profile picture, and whatever. Here you can click that, take you to settings where you can say edit. On the edit, you can go down, you put your address here, put phone numbers here. I'm gonna go get phone numbers here. Okay, opening hours, you can say standard, you save. Email address, okay, that's fine. You make sure that is the email address and the woman. Okay, doing that, you can save, but all this information can be changed after. Okay, the email address is there. Let me see the address. You add address, tap OK, phone number, address. Let me see if I can see it. Let me put in the phone number first because I can't see the address. You save, you enter a valid phone number. Okay, it's, I think this is a landline number. It might need let's see, 500 for, yeah, it might need a mobile number. So this is not a mobile number, it's a landline. Let me get another number. I save. Why? Enter valid phone number beginning with the country code. Okay, I understand why it did that. So it needs 27. Save. Good. You can see the phone number is there now. Address, service area. Let's see. Just select that. This page doesn't have a service area. I think it's better that way. Okay. Yeah, you will go on changing stuff like that, then you will be right. So, but the basics I've showed them. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys. So I want to stop.